Hello. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to link your WordPress website to Google Console in 2024. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to see more videos like this. Let's get right into it. So I'm on Google Search Console right now. I'm going to click on Start Now. Then on the next page, it says Welcome to Google Search Console. To start, select property type. So we're going to enter our domain or subdomain right here. So I'm going to enter variablestack.com and click on continue. So it says select record type, TXT recommended, sign into your domain provider, copy this TXT record below into the DNS configuration for variablestack.com. So we're going to go ahead to copy the TXT record right here. So I've copied it. So I'll head on to my cPanel to add this TXT record into the DNS configuration. So I'm on my cPanel right here. The next thing I want to do is scroll down to Zone Editor. So I click on Zone Editor and then I find my domain name, which is vibrestack.com, and I'll click on Manage. Now I'll click on Add Record. So it says valid zone name. So my valid zone name is vibrestack.com. That's your domain name. Please ensure you don't add any HTTP or HTTPS protocol. You just need to add the domain name without any prefix. So next, you want to change the type to ensure that the type is set to TXT, and then you can paste the TXT that Google asked you to copy, and then you save record. So that's it. Your record has been successfully saved. So we'll jump back to Google Search Console and then we click on verify. So it says ownership verified. Let's go to property. So that's it. Your Search Console has been linked to your domain, and now you can see any information about SEO via Google Search Console. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to drop a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel to see more content like this. Cheers.